So on top of these windows as well, we've got some big cracks. Big gaps there. Cockroaches can live in here as well. So if we get rid of all these places that the cockroaches can hide, it's a lot better. So you've got to think about, why would I be using an external paint on these ceilings? Now I'm using it because I know the product, I know what the Weather Shield can do. If you have a look at one of my videos, and I'll try and put a link on it here or down there, wherever, and it actually shows what the Weather Shield will do, holding back stains. And that's where I painted that 100-year-old Queenslander, all the rafters, and they were black with stains, and 2 coats of Weather Shield low sheen held that back really nicely. And we actually did a video 12 months later when we went back, and it held it back perfect. So perfect for this issue that we're having here, because this is a real issue, without spending huge amounts of money ripping the ceilings down and putting gyprock up. This is what we're going to do. So we're going to put 2 coats of Weather Shield low sheen up here, and I'll also probably put 1 coat of it on this wall here, and that'll hold back any stains that might happen that want to come through, because I know there will be stains that want to come through. This is just the first coat of undercoat. Now we're just using Purge Gold label sealer undercoat. That's dry now. You see the stain coming through it. So that's day 2 finished. So we're about ready to spray our ceilings. Got it all primed up. I'm living a hollow life. All these days are passing by. use this roller sleeve. It's an 18mm Dulux Excellence sleeve with a longer pole. Let's see if we can.
You just walk right out the door. Don't wanna do this anymore. Now I'm lost without you. You drive me crazy out my mind. How'd you do this every time? Now I'm lost without you. Used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love is all we have? Our issues run so deep, now when I try to sleep I feel so bad.